Okay, so Matildah Zulu, our first participant from Zambia, from Africa. What brings you to Slovenia?
Okay, so I came to Slovenia to volunteer. I came at a youth center in Zagore to give my time to the community. To give my time to the community. And yeah, I like it so much here. The landscape is so different from Turkey because I've been in Turkey for 3 years.
Mm-hmm.
And it's very beautiful. It's like it's Africa because Africa is full of nature, but here it's more advanced than Africa, so it's very perfect for me. Yeah, I like it so much.
So what are your expectations of jamatlon? Are you scared?
Not really. I'm so excited to go into the cave. It's like a nervous excitement. Yeah. I'm excited because this is my first time going into the mines. So it's something that is really, like I expect more of it, like, fun.
Okay, I'm sure you'll do great. So, Matilda, did jamatlon meet or exceed your expectations?
Oh, it did exceed. It was very exciting.
What did you like most?
The climbing. The last part was very interesting and hard.
What about the obstacles?
Yeah, they are very cool. I love the mine so much.
And the mine dwarf, the perkmandels?
Yeah. What are they?
Did you meet perkmandels? The dude in the red jacket and the hat.
I think so because we met a lot of people.
Uh-huh.
I don't know which one. The one who was spanking.
Yeah. The one. Yeah. That's the one.
Wow, why did he spank us?
Did he didn't?
Yes.
Oh, did he hit you hard?
No, not really
Okay.
hard.
Well, you can always hit him back, so. Okay, that's it. Thank you very much.